Good morning, students. All of you first mute your microphone. And now open your EVS book. Page number 58. Page number 58. Okay. Page number 58. Every country has its own national festivals, and these festivals are celebrated throughout the country. And in India, we celebrate 3 national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so every country has its own national festivals, and these festivals celebrated throughout the country. And in India, we celebrate 3 national festivals. Okay, so in India, we celebrate three national festivals. Okay, 3 national festivals. On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule, and we celebrate this day as our Independence Day. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi, and addresses the people. See in your book here. Okay, in 15th August 1947, India became first free from the British rule, and we
Your camera is off.
on 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule, and we celebrate this day as our Independence Day. Okay, in 15th August, we celebrate this day as our Independence Day, and our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort and Delhi and addresses the people here.
Ma'am, your
This
camera is off.
okay. Can you see me? Students? Okay. Next, so we celebrate our country three festivals, three national festivals. Number 1 Independence Day, number 2 Republic Day, and number 3 Gandhiji's birthday or Gandhiji Jayanti. Okay, so number 1, that is Independence Day. DEPENDENC, Independence Day. Number 2 Republic Day. And number 3, that is Gandhiji Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so on 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule, and we celebrate this day as our Independence Day. And our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi, and addresses the people. Okay, and next, that is Republic Day. Okay, number 2, that is Republic Day. So Independence Day 15th August, AUGUST. Next, Republic Day on 26th January, we celebrate our Republic Day. On 26th January, we celebrate our Republic Day, and the President unfurls the national flag and takes the salute of the parade at Rajpath in New Delhi, and children and people from different states participates in the parade and show their cultural and traditional values. Okay, so number 2, that is Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And number 3, that is Gandhi Jayanti. A republic does not have a king or a queen, and people vote and choose their leaders. Okay, and next, Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader in our country. He is known as a father of the nations, and he was born on 2nd October, and he played a lead role in the struggle of our freedom. Okay, we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader in our country, and he is known as the father of nations, and he was born on 2nd October, and we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Okay, next, Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. On this day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born. Okay, and next, summary. Festivals are very happy occasions, and we celebrate many festivals in our country like Diwali, Christmas, Guru Purab, Eid, Pongal, and Onam. And we also celebrate our national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi's birthday or Gandhi Jayanti, etc. Okay, so every country has its own national festivals, and these festivals are celebrated throughout the country. And in India also we celebrate 3 national festivals. Number 1, Independence Day on 15th August. Number 2, Republic Day on 26th January. And number 3, Gandhiji Jayanti 2nd October. Okay. And next, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. On this day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born. Okay. And a republic does not have a king or a queen. People vote and choose their leaders. And from this chapter, we have learned that festivals are happy occasions. Number 2, we celebrate many festivals in our country like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Guru Purab, Eid, Pongal, Onam, etc. And we also celebrate our national festivals. Okay. Next, question time. Tick the correct word. Number A, page number 60. Okay, all of you open your EVS textbook, page number 60. Tick the correct word. Number A, 1. Holi or Diwali is the festival of lights. Okay. Number 2. Republic Day or Christmas is celebrated, celebrated, celebrated on 25th December. Number 3, Pongal or Onam is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Yes, Osmit completed. Okay, very good. So number 3, Pongal or Onam is celebrated, celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Okay. And number 4, Mahatma Gandhi was born on, option is 2nd October or 14th October. 2nd October or 14th October. Okay. Sorry, 14 November. Okay. So number 1, that is Holi or Diwali is the festival of lights. Answer is Holi or Diwali is the festival of lights. Yes, Diwali. Okay, so right answer is Diwali. Diwali. Diwali is the festivals of lights. Number 2, Republic Day or Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. 25th December every year. EVERY, every YEAR, year. Okay. Republic Day or Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every day. So answer is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Number 3, Pongal or Onam is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Pongal or Onam is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Pongal, okay, Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu and Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Yes, and right answer is Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Number 4, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October or 14th October? Right answer, 2nd October. So Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. And 14 October, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Okay, and in this day we celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November, and on this day Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born. Okay. Yes, 2nd October. So Diwali is the festival of lights. Number 1, Diwali is the festivals of lights. Number 2, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. And Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. Okay. And next classes we will complete our rest of the topic. Okay. And your term 1 syllabus: myself, my body, growing up, clothes we wear, food we eat, tools we use, good habits, my family, house we live in, up to chapter number 9. Number 1, myself. Number 2, my body. Chapter number 3, growing up. 4, clothes we wear. 5, food we eat. Number 6, tools we use. Number 7, good habits. And number 8, my family. And number 9, house we live in. Okay, your term 1 syllabus. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.